performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2016 Jeep Wrangler Sport 4x4 in Firecracker Red with halogen headlamps, fog lamps, 2 front tow hooks and 1 rear tow hook, 16-inch steel wheels, Sunrider soft top, black tubular side steps by MOPAR, black tail lamp guards, reclining front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, premium instrument cluster with tachometer, audio jack input for mobile devices, 8 premium speakers, rear compartment covered storage, rear folding seats, cargo tie-down loops, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3261A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.